Here I've got Honor 7A, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. So at first let's open Play Store, then click on the More icon to see all the applications, all the possibilities, and go to My Apps and Games then. Now in the first tab, which is Updates, you can find all applications that can be updated. As you can see, we have a lot of them, and you can either update all of them at once by tapping on Update All, or you can pick one particular application to update. For example, Google Drive, just click on Update. Here you can follow the progress. As you can see, at first it will be downloaded and then installed. And once it's done, just give it a couple of seconds. But when it will be done, you will be able to find it at the bottom of the list. Here it is. Just scroll down, and under Recently Updated, you can find Google Drive. And now you can use the latest version of this application. But if you would like to update all of them at once, just click on Update All and it will be done. You can meanwhile use your device in a normal way and it will be done in the background, as you can see here. So that would be all. This is how you can update applications in your Honor 7A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.